To solve this one, we just need to plug in all these coordinates and then solve for one of these solutions. So we know that, for example, A, we can plug in 3 and 0, and see which ones, if it solves these equations or these conditions. So 3 times 3 minus 0, because y is 0. Is this greater than 0? 9 minus 0. Yes, that's greater than 0, so this one is satisfied. 2 times 3 plus 0 is greater than 1. 6 plus 0, is that greater than 1? Yes, so this one is satisfied. And so therefore, this one is true, but then this is not a solution, so this would be wrong. Okay, and we just basically keep doing this until we find something that does not satisfy these two equations. So now we're going to do the second one. 6 minus 5 is greater than 0. That is true, because 1 is greater than 0. And then we're also going to do 2 times 2 plus 5. Is that greater than 1? Yes, that is greater than 1. This is not true. And then 0. 3 times 0 is 0 minus negative 3 minus negative 3. That gets us 3 is greater than 0, correct? And then 2 times 0 minus 3, is that greater than 1? Well, that gets us 0 minus 3. Is that greater than 1? That is not true. So therefore, the answer is C.